Let's learn about parts of speech in this session. There are 7 parts of speech. They are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, and conjunctions. In some of the books, there are 8 parts of speech are taught, and in some books, even 9 parts of speech are taught. In Jolly Grammar, each of the parts of speech is given a specific color. For example, nouns are indicated with black, pronouns with pink, verbs with red, adjectives with blue, adverbs with orange, prepositions with green, and conjunctions with purple. And each of the part of speech is indicated with an action. These actions are helpful to remember the concepts well. Let's start with nouns. A noun is something we can see or hear or touch. Basically, we will be learning 2 types of nouns, proper nouns and common nouns. Later, we'll be learning more types of nouns. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Common noun is any noun that is not a proper noun. The color for all types of noun is black. Action is, for proper noun, you should touch your forehead with your index and middle fingers. Action for common noun, you should touch your forehead with all the fingers of one hand. Let's look at some examples. For proper nouns, India, Ganga, Lakshya. For proper nouns, you should always start the word with a capital letter. Example for common nouns are table, chair, books. Pronouns are the little words used to replace nouns. The color for all types of pronoun is pink. The major 8 pronouns are I, you singular, he, she, it, we, you plural, and they. Action for pronouns are, for I, point to yourself, for you singular, point to someone else, for he, point to a boy, for she, point to a girl, for it, point to the floor, for we, point in a circle including yourself and others, for you plural, point to 2 other people, for they, point to the next door class. What is a verb? A verb is a doing word, or you can say all the actions words are called as verbs. The action for verbs in general is to clench your fist and move your arms backwards and forwards at your sides as if running. The color for all types of verb is red. There are 3 tenses. There are past tense, present tense, and verbs in the future. The action for the past tense is pointing backwards. The action for the present tense is pointing towards the floor with the palm of the hand. Verbs in the future. The action for verbs that describe the future is pointing towards the front. Some of the examples for verbs are run, walk, jump, write, read, smile, skip, walk, talk, look. Next is adjectives. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. The action for an adjective is to touch the side of your temple with your fist. The color for adjectives is blue. Adjective gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. Some of the examples for adjectives are: this is a peaceful city. In this sentence, city is a noun and this peaceful word is saying how the city is. The city is peaceful. Therefore, peaceful is the adjective. Next sentence. Ria is a brave girl. So, girl is a noun and this word brave is describing how she is. Brave. Brave is adjective here. Same manner, delicious is adjective, and some more examples for adjectives are beautiful, silent, big, small, huge, enormous, wonderful, amazing. Adverbs. An adverb describes a verb. The action for adverbs is to bang one fist on top of the other. The color for adverbs is orange. Some of the examples for adverbs are Tanish sang nicely. In this sentence, sang is verb and nicely is describing how the verb is being done. Therefore, nicely is adverb. Next, Rani ran quickly. Ran is verb. Quickly is describing how the verb is being done. Therefore, quickly is adverb here. Conjunctions. A conjunction is used to join parts of a sentence. The action for conjunctions is to hold your hands apart with palms facing up. Move both hands so one is on top of the other. The color for conjunctions is purple. And let's see some of the examples. And, but, because, so, or, and some more. Prepositions. A preposition relates one noun or pronoun to other. In simple words, these words tell the position of the things. The action for prepositions is to point from one noun to another. The color for prepositions is green, and some of the examples for prepositions are in, down, under, above, over, along.